Hey everyone, this is Debbie with Deb's Kitchen. Today I'll be making a breakfast casserole. Okay, to start this breakfast casserole, I have cut up a small onion and chopped it up, and I am melting some butter in a pan, and I'm going to go ahead and start to saute these onions a little bit. Get them soft. Okay, I've got 7 eggs that I'm going to whisk together. This is a very simple and easy breakfast casserole. We like eating breakfast actually for dinner a lot of times. So this is what I'm doing tonight. I'm going to add a little bit of my salt and pepper blend. Whisk that together. And the onions that I cooked, I'm going to go ahead and add them. Basically, it's just adding everything together in a bowl. The onions smell so good. Then I've got 1 1/4 cups of milk. I've got some diced ham, which of course you can use any type of breakfast meat. Go ahead and stir that together. And I'm going to add some cheese. This is a mixture of shredded cheddar cheese and some Fiesta blend of cheese. Just kind of mix that in. I have sprayed a bottom of a casserole dish, and I'm going to add 6 slices of bread. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and just pour all of this on top. And I'm going to bake it in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. Make sure the bread's all coated. Alright, I will see you in about 30 minutes. Okay, this is what it looks like after being in the oven for 30 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and add some more cheese on the top. Just spread it around a little bit. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the oven for probably about, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes until this cheese melts. And there you are. Very simple and quick breakfast casserole. If you like what you've seen today, please subscribe to my channel or press the like button. And if you have any suggestions on anything you'd like for me to cook, just let me know in the comment section. Until next time, this is Debbie with Deb's Kitchen. Goodbye.